Lord, there is no fund in the corporation, my lord, and the fund has been requisitioned by the government.
Amount has been determined.
Determined, lords.
But, amount has not been paid.
Not been paid, lords.
Have you paid the cost?
No, my lord.
First you pay the cost and then determine the calculation and disburse within 2 weeks. Shall I record that you don't have funds so that we'll auction your property?
The Nagar Parishad Madhubani for the petitioner Sri Ashutosh Kumar
This
Jha.
case so cause has been filed, my lord, on online. The hard copy of the so cause.
Huh?
So cause
Complied.
has already been filed, my lord.
Complied.
Order
No,
has
no.
been compliant, but the representation
Where
has
is the
been
compliance order?
No.
page 17, my lord. A detailed reasoned order has been passed, my lord.
They consider the claim of the petitioner, but payment has not been made, lords, as per paragraph 14, 15, lords of the so cause.
Where is the order?
Order
Page-
that page 13, 12, lords. Relevant portion, lords, page 13, lords.
Huh? No sir, where is the compliance order?
They consider my claim, but payment has not been made,
Annexure-
lords.
Annexure C to the so cause, my lord. The hard copy of so cause, my lord, may
Where
be
is
permitted
that?
to file, my lord.
Amount has been determined.
Determined, lords.
But, amount has
accept-
not been
not,
paid.
Not been paid, lords.
Amount, my lord, what happened, my lord, the petitioner was superannuated.
No, but only paper order.
My lord, there is no fund in the corporation, my lord, and the fund has been requisitioned by the government. The moment the fund
What is the amount determined?
Exact figure will have not been supplied to me, lords.
Huh?
Only consider my claim, yes, he is entitled
Entitled
for the area, entitled to area from so and so, lords.
Yes, take
Amount
on
has
the-
not been
But
determined.
140 is implied, my
2
lord.
weeks time will be granted. By that time you calculate and disburse.
My lord, since
First of all, have you paid 10,000 rupees? Cost? Have you paid the 10,000 rupees cost to the
Lord.
respondent?
when I received the representation, my lord,
Have you paid the cost?
no, my lord.
First you pay the cost and then determine the calculation and disburse within 2 weeks, failing which the concerned authority, who is the competent authority?
Lords.
The
Nagar Parishad.
Which respondent?
Madhubani.
What is difficulty, my lord? The respondent number 2, my lord, that is the in charge. Actually, he is posted as a deputy.
Sir, in court matter you can't say in charge and all. You have to comply.
And my lord, the
This court cannot wait for a regular officer to come and take the decision.
he has filed the representation belatedly, my lord, and within time I have disposed of the representation.
No,
my
no,
lord.
no, my lord.
May kindly-
Sir, where is the payment?
Payment, my lord, not a single employee have been paid, my lord. 140.
Then have
employee,
you
my lord.
rejected? Then have you rejected his representation?
My lord,
Have you rejected or allowed his representation?
I have given undertaking in the order, speaking order, my lord, that the moment I received the grant from the state government or
So
any
gra-
internal source,
So he is eligible. You are waiting for financial aid.
I will pay all the retired employee, my lord. on
Which
priority basis.
respondent? Second respondent?
Second of the municipal.
Who has to pay?
Municipal
Municipal-
Commissioner, lords, Madhubani.
Who has to pay, sir?
Municipal Commissioner Madhubani,
Second respondent?
second respondent.
Let him be present in the court.
My lord,
He has
one
taken
difficulty is, my lord, they have implemented as a
Non-
executive officer, my lord. Now the municipal has been upgraded as a municipal commissioner, my lord.
Sir, we don't know whether it is upgraded,
The
downgraded.
party, he has implemented as a party
The second
executive
respondent-
officer.
Second respondent, huh?
He has implemented as a party executive officer. Now the Madhubani Nagar Parishad has been upgraded as corporation, and the party position would be the
Lord,
municipal commissioner.
So cause has been filed on behalf of the municipal
Municipal-
corporation, lords, that the issue is
Since
not.
I have
lords,
received
since-
notice from
This
this
is-
court, my lord, and I filed the so-called, my lord.
and
Yes,
his
the land
authority-
council for the respondent, Nagar Parishad submitted that the Nagar Parishad Madhubani, district Madhubani is stated to have been upgraded head of the Nagar Parishad is Commissioner. Therefore, the Commissioner is hereby directed to comply the order dated 5/1/2022 passed in CWJC 6369 of 2020, including a sum of rupees 10,000 as ordered in para 3 of the aforesaid order, failing which he shall be present in the court along with the records. Release this matter after 2 weeks.
Make 4 weeks time may be
Copy
granted.
of this
also.
order shall be given to the State Council, Mr. So and so, sorry, Parishad Council so and so.
Some more time may be granted, my lord,
Huh?
because there is no fund, my lord. We
All
have
right,
to arrange, my lord. And one,
Shall I record that you don't have fund?
my lord, I have given.
No, shall I record that you don't have funds?
There, I have stated in my speaking order itself, my lord,
That
how-
you don't have funds.
how much the fund is available and.
Please say, please stick to one decision. According to you, in Nagar Parishad, there are no funds to calculate and disburse to
No,
the
no,
complainant.
calculation is another thing, my lord. For payment, some more time may be granted, my lord.
2 weeks has been granted.
4 weeks maybe.
No,
my
no,
lord.
no. Shall I record that you don't have funds so that we'll auction your property?
At my instruction, my lord, I have annexed the order sheet in which it has been stated that some funds is only available which could not be even meet
At
the.
this juncture, Council for Nagar Parishad submitted on instruction that Nagar Parishad has no sufficient fund to calculate and disburse in favor of the petitioner. Full stop. Time and again courts have held that rightful claim of an employee or a person from the state exchequer cannot be denied. Full stop. If the amount is not calculated and disbursed by next date of hearing, adverse order would be passed against the Nagar Parishad, even to the extent of attaching the property of the Nagar Parishad. Release this.
My lord, there is no fund in the corporation, my lord, and the fund has been requisitioned by the government.
Amount has been determined.
Determined lots.
But, amount has not been paid.
Not been paid lots.
Have you paid the cost?
No, my lord.
First you pay the cost and then determine the calculation and disburse within 2 weeks. Shall I record that you don't have funds so that we'll auction your property?
At